sa patuloy na iringan sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at ang bansang China kaugnay sa pinagagawa na teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Sa sinabi ni PB,
Filipino, not only serviceman, but even a Filipino citizen. If a Filipino citizen is killed by a willful act, that is, I think, very, very close to what we define as an act of war, and therefore we will respond accordingly. And our treaty partners, I believe, also hold that same standard when the actions, with the joint action, will be undertaken in support of any such already have suffered injury.
Yan ang mga
But
tinig ni
thank God,
President.
we have not yet
Yan ang
gotten.
sinabi ni PB Marcos sa ginanap na Shangri-La Dialogue sa Singapore 2024.